to set Google Jobs notification as silent in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessible, find Google, and then tap Google services, and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, tap search assistant and voice, and then select notifications, tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until Bluetooth turn on, and then scroll down screen, find jobs, and then tap jobs, select silent. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.